In this example, we're going to write and solve a linear system to determine the two unknown numbers. And so here we have this sentence that describes the relationship between those two numbers. It says, the sum of two numbers is 153, and their difference is 71. So the first thing I'm going to do is write a couple of variable definitions. We can use like x and y for my variables, and maybe x is the first of these two numbers, and y is the second number. Okay? So now that we have our variable definitions, we know whenever we're using variables what they represent. So the first part of the sentence says the sum of two numbers is 153. So the word sum means we're going to add these two numbers. So I'm going to say x plus y equals 153. Okay, as I continue, their difference is 71. So difference means we're going to subtract them. So that's going to be 71. So when I look at this system now, it looks like it's perfect for elimination because I have a plus y and a minus y. So when I add these two equations together, the y's cancel, and I'll have 2x equals, and it looks like 224. So when I divide both sides by 2, my value of x looks like it's going to be 112. And now that I have the value for one of the variables, I can go ahead and plug it in to one of these equations and solve for the final variable. X plus y equals 153. Well, x was 112, so that plus y equals 153. So now it's just a matter of solving. So the 112's cancel from the left side, and it looks like y equals 41. So through my process of defining these variables, writing a system, and solving the system, I now have the two values for my numbers. So I'm going to say, I'm going to write a little sentence here. The two numbers are, and they're going to be 112 and 41. So this answer here, these two values are the values for the variables, and this answer, this sentence, is kind of the wrap-up for this situation. So the two numbers are 112 and 41, given this initial kind of sentence that gave the relationship between the numbers, and then my variable definitions, x and y.